Guys, ito yung tropa ko guys. Ito yung mga tropa ko guys, mga construction boy guys. Gusto nyo construction boy? Iba-iba ang amoy. Guys, please follow and share my video guys. Gusto nyo construction boy? Iba-iba amoy. Gusto nyo construction? Yan guys, yan. Guys, so ito yung yan guys, so yung kalbo guys, nakabalik guys, so umalis guys, so welder guys, welder. Yan, siyempre guys, hindi magpapauli ang bida guys.